The RAP process, introduced by Chip Heath and Dan Heath in Decisive, How to Make Better Choices in Life and Work, is a decision-making framework designed to help individuals navigate complex choices and make better decisions. Widen your options. The first step encourages individuals to avoid prematurely narrowing down their choices and instead explore a broad range of alternatives. To widen options, consider brainstorming additional possibilities, seeking input from diverse perspectives, and challenging the assumption that there are only limited choices available. By expanding the pool of options, individuals increase the likelihood of finding creative solutions and making more informed decisions. Reality test your assumptions. In the second step, individuals are encouraged to challenge their assumptions and gather relevant information before making a decision. Reality testing involves seeking out data, evidence, and diverse perspectives that either support or contradict your assumptions about the options under consideration. By critically evaluating the validity of your assumptions, you can make more informed judgments and reduce the risk of basing decisions on flawed or incomplete information. Attain distance before deciding. The third step emphasizes the importance of gaining perspective and distance from immediate decisions. Attaining distance involves stepping back and considering the long-term implications of a decision, as well as its potential impact on various stakeholders. Strategies for attaining distance include seeking advice from trusted advisors, simulating different scenarios, and evaluating decisions from a 10-10-10 perspective, considering how the decision will impact you in 10 minutes, 10 months, and 10 years. Prepare to be wrong. The final step acknowledges the uncertainty and potential for failure inherent in decision-making. Instead of striving for perfection, individuals are encouraged to prepare for the possibility of being wrong and to build resilience to adapt to unexpected outcomes. By embracing the likelihood of uncertainty and failure, individuals can approach decision-making with greater flexibility and openness to learning from their mistakes. By following these steps, individuals can enhance their decision-making skills and achieve more favorable outcomes in both their personal and professional lives. You're considering whether to accept a new job offer. Instead of immediately deciding between accepting the job offer or staying in your current position, you decide to widen your options by brainstorming alternative career paths. You research other job opportunities in your field, explore the possibility of freelancing or starting your own business, and consider pursuing further education or training to expand your. Before making a decision, you reality test your assumptions about the new job offer. You gather information about the company culture, growth opportunities, salary and benefits, and potential work-life balance. You also seek input from current or former employees of the company, read online reviews, and consult industry resources to validate your assumptions and gain a more complete understanding of the job opportunity. To gain perspective on the decision, you take a step back and consider its long-term implications. You imagine how accepting the job offer would impact your career trajectory, financial stability, and overall satisfaction in the coming years. You also evaluate the potential consequences of staying in your current job or pursuing alternative career paths to ensure that you're making a well-informed decision. Recognizing the uncertainty inherent in career decisions, you prepare yourself for the possibility of unexpected outcomes. You acknowledge that even after careful consideration, there's a chance that the new job may not meet your expectations or that unforeseen challenges may arise. To mitigate the risk of regret, you develop a contingency plan and identify steps you can take to adapt and pivot if the decision doesn't yield the desired results. By following the RAP process in this example, you approach the decision to accept a new job offer with a more thoughtful and strategic mindset. You consider a wider range of options, gather relevant information, gain perspective on the decision's implications, and prepare yourself to navigate uncertainty and adapt to changing circumstances.